Aloha! Welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Michi, and today we're going to prepare
jumbo stuffed shells with Portuguese sausage, ulu, and spinach. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the Portuguese sausage, ulu, processed cottage cheese, chopped spinach, Parmesan cheese, garlic salt, pepper, and shredded cheese and fold together until the ingredients are well mixed. Don't overmix. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Spray a medium-sized rimmed baking dish with cooking spray, then drizzle half of the prepared marinara sauce onto the bottom of the dish. Stuff each shell with about a golf ball-sized portion of the sausage mixture and place the shells in rows, with the shells just touching. When all the shells are stuffed, drizzle the rest of the marinara over them, dust with Parmesan cheese and parsley. Cover loosely with foil and bake for 20 minutes, then remove from oven, remove foil and return to oven for about 5 minutes. Remove from the oven and let rest for 5 minutes and serve with a side of salad and warm bread for a complete meal. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.